In today's lesson, we are looking at how to find the total surface area of a pyramid. And in today's discussion, we are looking at a square base pyramid. Now, the diagram below shows a square base pyramid with its apex vertically above the center of the square. Find the total surface area of the pyramid. We could see that the net of a pyramid consists of 4 triangular faces and a square. So these together make up, or these together fold up to become a pyramid, or in other words, a square base pyramid. So the net of a square base pyramid consists of 4 triangular faces and also a square. So the total surface area of the entire pyramid will consist of the area of the 4 triangular faces in addition to the area of the square. Therefore, if you are to find the area of this square base pyramid, then you have to choose the net of the square base pyramid. And just as I said earlier on, the net of a square base pyramid consists of 4 triangular faces. And all these 4 triangular faces are the same. Then it means that when you find the area of one triangular face, it becomes the area of the other triangular faces. So when you find the area of one, then it means that since the triangles are 4, then you just multiply the area by 4, and that will be the total area for the 4 triangular faces. So after you found the area of the 4 triangular faces, then we find the area of the square and we add them up. So area of the square from here, this side is 8 centimeters. This one too is also 8 centimeters. All the other sides are also 8 centimeters because it's a square. And for a square, all the sides are equal. So area of the square is 8 times 8. That is length times the length. And 8 times 8 gives us 64. So the area of the square equals 64 centimeters squared. Then we find area of the one of the triangular faces and we multiply it by 4. So area of a triangle is half times the base times the height. So from here, the height of this triangle, this is the height for the triangle, which is 11 centimeters. So this is not the actual height for the pyramid or the perpendicular height for the pyramid, but rather the height for the triangle. Now the perpendicular height for the entire pyramid is from the apex to the center of the pyramid. So this is where the perpendicular height of the pyramid will be. But this height that we see here is the height for the triangle. So area of the triangle equals half times the base. Now these 8 centimeters that we see here is a length for the square, at the same time a base for the triangle. So it means that this side is serving two purposes, or all the sides here are serving two purposes. First is a length or a side of the square, and also a base for the triangular faces. Therefore, this 8 centimeters is also a base for the triangle. Now, half times the base times the height, and the height is 11, the base is 8, and half of 8 is 4. 4 times 11 gives us 44. So area of one of the triangles is 44 centimeters squared. Now, because the triangles are 4, then we multiply the total area for the 4 triangles by 4, and we get 4 times 44. So 4 times 44 will give us 176. For 4 for 16, remember 1, 4 for 16, so 176. And 176 plus the area of the square will give us, so this is 1, yeah, so 13, so 4 So this is 240. So I think there's a mistake here. So this answer is supposed to be 240. So 64 plus 176 will give us 1240. So 240 or 240 centimeters squared is the total surface area for the entire pyramid. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So in this example, just as we saw earlier on in the first example, we said that if you want to find the total surface area, then the total surface area will be a combination of the area of the square base and the area for the four triangular faces. So in this example, we are to find the total surface area of the pyramid, which is a square base pyramid with 8 apex vertically above the center of the square. So what we do is that first we need to find the area of the square. So the first question is, what is the area of the square? We know that area of a square equals length times length. So length times length, and that is equal to the length of this rectangle is the same for all sides because a square consists of 4 equal sides or length. So 2.2 times 2.2, and that gives us 4.84. So area equals 4.84 meters squared. So this is the area for the square. Then we find the area of the triangle. And the area of one of the triangles is area for the four triangles, or the entire four triangles of the pyramid. So area of a triangle equals half times the base times the height. And from here, the base is the same as the base for this triangle is the same as the base for the square. And so here is also 2.2 meters. So half times 2.2 times the height, which is 3. And half of this will give us 1.1. And 1.1 times 3 will give us 3.3 meters squared. So the area for one of the triangles is 3.3 meters squared. And since the triangles are 4, area for the 4 triangles will be equal to 4 times 3.3 meters squared, and that will give us 13.2. So the total surface area for the entire pyramid will consist of 13.2, which is the area for the 4 triangular faces, and the area for the squares, which is 4.84. So the total surface area now becomes 18.04 meters squared. Thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.